naguo mutwe umwe ukiragwo ndugiaturaga ngundu nikio ni ndirai kunyita ugeni metha-ini ya Muthingi TV mohoro maitu ithaa riri ria miaraho niguo ngikumenyithia maria makihanikite na makiyumirite ituri-ini itiganite guku bururi-ini wa Kenya umuthi akiri ni tariki 24 mweri-ini wa Muratho mwaka wa 2023 ngakioka ati muthenya waku ni uragigutwarithia oro wega nie ngikwamukira riakwa ni Mwangi wa Murugi. Na tukianjiriria ngikuririkania ati no kinyitanire nani na njira ya imwe kwa imwe kwirira nenda citu cia ukinyaniria go Facebook ngigikwiraga ni @Muthingi TV ono ngikihuthira namba 07068484 kana 247847247247 yo ni namba ya WhatsApp watu madumiriri yako ni tuko tukiaranirio no ngikihuthira account yakwa ya Facebook @Murugi Job watu madumiriri yako ninguikorwo ngigutambura oro haria uragitwirorera na riu tukianjiriria ni ati kaunti cia gitaru kia irathiro mwena wa guku kirima-ini guku ni gitaru gia gatagati wa bururi ni makigite na iguithanio nao ni itemi ria gukorwo makiagirithia oro ndumwe na gukorwo makihura njeki wonjoria mwena uyu makiaria mari kaunti-ini kana kaunti ici iria ni ari ni Meru, Embu, Kirinyaga na Tharaka nicio cigithondekete muungano uyu itemi makiarahura na makiria wonjoria kaunti-ini ici makiaria mari mwena wa Embu matongoretio ni muikariri giti wa kanja ya magavana niwe ano iguru ni makiugite ati makinyukitie ikinya riri itemini ria gukorwo makihura oro ndumwe na kwarahura wonjoria na kukuria makiria matura ma kaunti ici cia gitaru gia gatagati wa bururi.
I know you're a man of God.
Our chair, Embu chair, Governor wa Kirinyaga na my nearest neighbor Murugi igitarira Meru kurari na mathina ja maingi really prayed for me. Pandobera sana, they gave me a lot of advice, especially my sister here. Na igitarira oigora mdosi aliza. Oigora aliza na nilisaidia sister wanakuwa wanaweza kufanya wamama kama moyo tunaona amekuwa hata mdosi wetu sote wa chama. Hivyo tunamshukuru Mungu kwa sababu ya kumpatia kofia nyingine. Kama amini. Bwana asifiwe. Tuleta maendeleo spidi ya 40 km/h. Tunahitaji maombieni kama jirani wetu. Ndio tupeleke maendeleo kaende wakati. Mungu awabariki sana.
The time for Embu County is now. And God gave a sign. That is this is a time appointed for Embu County to move forward. And what is the sign? God gave us a governor who is ready. You know, I am with a young way. You can't know that. So you have to a week ago, or not even a week ago, a few days ago, we had a very good delegation with the governor, a delegation which is looking at efforts of ensuring we have dams in Embu County. We visited Nambana, we had a meeting with governor, we had a meeting with the PS also, with the governor, and all this is because we are united.
Na tukiume gitaru gia gatagati wa bururi na tukiyuke nginya kuria Rift Valley nene ati ruhonge rwa guthaitira ugima mwega wa mwiri wa muingi manyitanire na gikundi gia teri kini makinyitanire itemini ria gukorwo makiagirithia mathomo kuri arutwo na ni makiria kuhuthira njira cia gukorwo makimarugira irio na makiria kuria magitafaniti mubango gukorwo makimarugira curu wa gikiro kia iguru itemini gukorwo makiagirithia ugima mwega wa mwiri oro ndumwe na kumateithiriria gukorwo magithie na mbere na mathomo mao na ino ni ripoti hiyo.
This particular Uji Plus, it is well protected. We carried out this trial not only in the schools here. So these schools from the community themselves, who agreed or who gave the innovation, agreed to be what we call the first guinea pigs. They said, okay, we are going to be the one to be able to be used to test our innovation. So we carried the studies here. We found it was very good, it was safe, and it was very, it has efficacy of maybe 60 to 70%. Then we went to other schools, also in Nandi. Then we went to Kirinyaga, and then lastly, we did it in Homa Bay. Something that the county governments can buy. And if the county governments buy, it's going to be a very big boon to this community, because the money they are going to get from this, they are going to, those particular challenges they have been talking about the school, in terms of desks, in terms of the scholarships for their kids, in terms of all the issues they have in education, because you all say that this is something that's going to support them, especially in terms of the innovation of schools. It is a community thing, and we are trying to see that if it can be a model, that a community that has got an idea, you develop that, give it back to them, and they can use for their own development. So that is actually the thing that we are trying to pursue in Cambridge.
Tangu watoto wa ECD wakunywe uji, naona wamekuwa wengi. Kabla ya uji, idadi ya wanafunzi ilikuwa chini mno. Lakini tangu wakunywe naona watoto wameongezeka. Ya pili, watoto walikuwa wameshikwa na mashilingi. Lakini tangu watumie hii uji, naona mashilingi, hawana tena mashilingi kwa vichwa yao. Na afya yao tena imeimarika. Wanang'ara, wamenona.
And it also helps the parents, because when now from the product of papaya and the wimbi, they can now sell and they'll add money into their pockets.
Kwa hii project yenye tumeanza ya Tepad itapatia ajira watoto wetu wengi katika factory. Na tena itapatia imeno watoto wa nyumbani. Iko chakula, iko uji.
Na nĩ ikinyũkia rĩega rĩa ikundi itiganĩte gũkorwo magĩtabania mĩbango ta ĩyo ya gũkorwo magĩteithĩrĩria ciana gũkorwo ikĩamũkĩra na makĩria kana irio cia gĩkĩro kĩa igũrũ nĩguo gũteithĩrĩria gũkorwo magĩthiĩ na mbere na mathomo mao. Na rĩu tũgĩtigane na icio tũkĩhiũka nginya kũrĩa kaunti ya Pokot ya Ithũĩro, na nĩ atĩ thirikari ya kaunti ya Pokot ya Ithũĩro nĩ makĩigĩte cemba kĩgĩna kĩa kũgacĩrithia mathibitarĩ ngũrani mwena ũyũ, makĩria thibitarĩ iria cigĩkoragwo matũũra-inĩ nĩguo gũkorwo makĩhukia marĩna marĩa magĩkoragwo makĩgomera mũingĩ mwena ũyũ rĩrĩa magĩkoragwo magĩthiĩ gũkorwo magĩetha maũtungata ma ũrigiti. Gũkĩrĩu kana kũringana na minista wa ũtungata wa mũingĩ kaunti-inĩ ĩno nĩwe Martin Loteni akiugĩte atĩ mathibitarĩ maya nĩ magũkorwo makĩgunĩka na kana nĩ magũkorwo makĩguna aikari mwena ũyũ makĩria arĩa mathiaga thabarĩ ndaya gũkorwo magĩetha maũtungata ma ũrigiti matiganĩte. Kana Loteni akiugĩte atĩ kana nĩ agĩtarĩirie ũũ atĩ thibitarĩ wa Kaporo wadi-inĩ ya Tapacha nĩ ũkorwo ũkĩamũkĩra ũtungata ũyũ itemi-inĩ rĩa gũkorwo makĩgacĩrithia ũtungata kũrĩ mũingĩ.
Ya mikakati ambazo sisi tuko tunaangalia ni pengine tutafute mto ambayo iko karibu hapa, kwa sababu hii area ni area ambayo iko na mwinuko. Tunaweza tukaleta maji through what is called like gravitational force mpaka sehemu hii. Pia kuna maji ambayo yamekwama kwa tangi karibu kilomita 3 kutoka hapa na pipe siko chini. Ni ile hali tu sasa ya kuweza kuweka maneno ya budget ndio maji ifike hapa. Lakini sio na waziri wanajua hiyo shida yenyewe iko hapa, na tuna matumaini kwamba siku za uzoni ambazo nafikiria haitachukua muda mwingi sana atakuwa na maji.
Kila gonjwa huwa tunahudumia kwa siku ni kati ya 30 hadi 40 kwa siku kwa jumla. Hapa ni kwa hii harakati ya serikali these are level 2. So kuna zile manageable huwa tuna manage hapa, zile ngumu kidogo kuna system ya referral kwa wanaenda tuna refer kwa the high level GCB area and Kapenguria County Referral Hospital.
Tũgĩtigane na icio cia ũtungata wa ũrigiti kũrĩa mwena wa kaunti ya Pokot ya Ithũĩro. Na rĩu tũkĩhũgũkĩre mangena nĩ atĩ atongoria a kaunti nĩ magĩũkĩrĩire maseneta nĩ ũndũ wa gũkorwo makĩaga kũhetũkia kana kũhetũkia rĩendekithia rĩa gũkorwo makĩongerera kĩgĩna kĩrĩa kĩheanagwo kũrĩ kaunti ciothe. Atongoria aya maugĩte atĩ thirikari nĩ yagararĩte watho nĩ amu watho ugaga atĩ gĩcunjĩ kĩa 15 harĩ igana kana harĩ igana ciagĩrĩirwo gũkorwo ikĩheanwo kũrĩ kaunti ciothe gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ. Otichiro augite ati Senator Ososi ni kana ni agaretie uria agitigirira kigina giki ni gikukane gikorwo gikihanwo kuri county ciothe kana na kuria maugite ati makiri na mwihoko ni magukorwo kana magukorwo makiamukira kigina giki itemini ria gukorwo makiagirithia utungata wa muingi na makiria matũra-ini.
Wetu wa Kenya Kwanza wakiongozwa na jirani yetu hapa ambaye ni kiranja kule Seneti wakabadilishwa dakika ya mwisho kwa sababu ya simu kutoka kwa William Ruto kusema kwamba waende na ile figure ya serikali ya 385 billion. Tukangangana na hao watu kwa sababu ni wengi, hata wengine walikuwa hawajielewi kwa sababu wao walikuwa wanataka pesa, wakapitisha ile pesa kidogo. Huyu anaitwa Profesa Njuguna Ndung'u, kesho mimi niko na yeye bamba tuba, alete evidence kwamba ametuma pesa ya Januari, alafu nimpatie tarehe ingine ya hivi karibuni ya kuleta pesa ya February, March, April, May, June. Tumeelewana? Kwa sababu hatuwezi tukakubali serikali ivunje sheria. Sheria inasema kwamba pesa yoyote ambayo serikali inaokota kwa ushuru inakata madeni, public debt, ile inabaki 15% inaenda kwa macounties.
Kwa hiyo amefanya kazi. Hata bila amezungumza hapa nilisikiza hiyo mjadala na niliona yeye na wale seneta wetu kutoka mrengo wa Azimio walifanya kazi nzuri. Walifanya kazi nzuri. Kwa hivyo yeye akiendelea hivyo, mimi naona pesa itaingia. Hata hii pesa amesema ya mshahara ni kweli, hata barua zile ameandika nimeziona. Kwa vile iko kwa Council of Governors nimeziona. So kwa kupigania ukatuzi seneta wetu wako mbele.
Na tugukihoka ati atongoria acio ni magukorwo makiigua na itemini ria gukorwo magikinyaniria kigina giki matũra-ini na niguo gukorwo magithemana na gutharara kwa mautungata ma muingi. Na riboti iyo ni iragituhe kanya twiko tugiikiria oro hanini no indi ngikuririkania githii na mbere na kwaraniria na ithui kugerera nenda citu cia ukinyaniria go Facebook ni @Muthingi TV, ona ungikihiuka gwa Twitter ona Instagram tukire ku @mandumiriri yaku hau ni tugugikorwo tukiaraniria no indi njitikiria ngikorwo ngiikiria oro hanini no indi ndugaikorwo gitegetura mitambo yo ni amu turacokereria na mangi maingi.
Hey darling, are we still on for a coffee date?
I'm waiting for you to come and pick me up.
I should be able to pick you in a few.
It's a coffee yogurt date?
It's not just a yogurt, it's royal coffee yogurt.
Flow with the sweet taste of thick and smooth Royal Fresh coffee yogurt. Royal Fresh, the royal taste of freshness.
Muthingi nĩ hĩndĩ tũrawamba no na tũkĩwambaga ndĩ haha gwĩkĩra ũira atĩ mũthingi ũrĩa tũramba wĩhandĩte ka ta ihiga rĩa nyaigĩ. Nyitanagĩra naniĩ Mũthoni wa Wambũgũ thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya igagũrĩro gũkũ kwa Muthingi TV, kĩhumo gĩa gũtherema.
na nitugithiete na mbere oro wega kinjitikirie ngikorwo ngikwamukira oro ringi metha-ini ya Muthingi TV niguo ngithi na mbere gukomenyithia maria makihanikite na makiyumiritie guku bururi-ini wa Kenya na tugikuhariria guku na riu ndirakira tukigukira riboti ingi na ni ati aikari ni makiamukirite mautungata ma urigiti utakiri marihi mubango uria utongoretio ni Mama LC guku akiuga ati muturire ni ikoretwo ukirituhira aingi na gukorwo makero ni kwamukira mautungata ma urigiti ni wagi wa mbeca aria magwikinyitie mwena uyu gukorwo makiamukira mautungata ni magathiriiri kinya riri makiuga ati ni mauritwo kana ni makiauritwo murigo munene wa urigiti na kuria maikoretwo makihatiririka na njira nene gukorwo makiamukira mautungata matiganite ma urigiti reke tukorwo tukiamukira riboti iyo.
Na shida kwa maana wakazi wa Kakamega na Wakenya kwa jumla hawana pesa. Hii ni wakati mgumu sana. Ndio kuongea kwao nikaonelea ya kwamba nilete huduma mashinani na pia nilete medical camps hapa mashinani.
Kwa na ugonjwa wa ngozi kuchikuna na ugonjwa wa uvimbe wa moyo wameshanitibu, wamenipea madawa ya kumesa, wameniandikia hata barua so nisonge mbele. Hata sasa nimemesa hiyo madawa na sikia vizuri mwili wangu.
Nashukuru sana Mama Elis kwa sababu wengi wetu hatukuweza kutibiwa kwa ajili ya pesa. Na leo tumepata huduma wa bure, tumetibiwa, sasa tuko sawa. Huko wanatumia pesa na sisi hatuna pesa. Sasa inafika mahali tunashindwa vile tunaweza enda huko tuhutumiwe.
Hii liko na shida ya magonjwa ya malaria ambayo ina affect watoto wadogo na wamama wajawazito. Kwa hivyo hiyo ndio imekuwa kibao mbele katika hali ambayo tumekuwa tukitembelea wale wamama wajawazito. Ugonjwa mwingine ambao tumekuwa tunahudumia ni pneumonia, ile ni homa ya mabafu na ina affect pia wazee ambao wamekomaa umri na watoto wadogo. Hao ndio tumekuwa tukigumbana nao. Na ni ukweli kwamba wengi ambao wako katika maboma huduma imekuwa haijawafikia. Tumeona kwamba wengi wamehudumiwa katika kila kambi ambazo tumekuwa tukitembelea.
Bila ile cash transfer, bila hiyo pesa wapya warejestiwe na pia wale wenye walikuwa wanapata hiyo pesa inachelewa sana. Kwa hivyo pia tunaomba serikali itusaidie hawa watu wetu wazee wenye wako mashinani, registration ifanyike for new cases na pia tukue na cash transfer.
Na wanakigwa rugambi rugakimenya ni ihinda ria gwicenjia kiratu na tugagikira kiarafa na tugakihiuka nginya kuri haro-ini citu na tukirore maundu magikarite atia na riu ndakienda tukihiuke nginya kuri kaunti ya Nyandarua nene ati manyabara kuma kaunti ino ya Nyandarua ni makiamukirite mathomo matiganite ma unyabara na one kuma kuruma kana kuma urugamiriri wa kirabu kia VFB kuma bururi wa Jerumani. Mathomo maya na maria magukorwo makioya kahinda ga thiku 4 magukorwo makimaruta kana makiruta arugamiriri aya gukorwo makinyabara timu riria magukorwo makihogerwo kuringana na uge wa mutabariri wa betika ici kuma kirabu kia Michagale kana Galen augite ati muoroto munene ni gukorwo makirehe urumwe hari mathako.
Honored to be in Kenya. We are here for 1 week. We started this week with a workshop for sports for development. Coach Andrew will say a bit more about that. But in Germany, we coach for the sport. In this case, this method that we brought here with the workshop, also for the coaches to learn, is an approach to use sport to draw the people together and also introduce the life skills. In which case this week we focused on the environment and the environmental preservation. So we did the workshop. We're happy for the participants. I think it was very good. They were very interested. and they learned a lot, and now we're looking forward for them to implement it.
I'm looking forward to learn so many things here as I'm so young. This is my first time to be in such a training of coaching, and I'm looking forward to learn more and become a better coach in the future.
Training ya nasoma mambo na how to venye tutaweza perfect michezo yetu huko kwa uwanja na mambo ya conservation kama hiyo ya conserve cranes na other wildlife.
Tumefurahia sana kuletewa training ya macoaches, though the team was sports for development. Tulijifunza vitu mingi sana, kwanza kuhusu sports, tukapelekwa tena kuhusu environment na tulienjoy. So kwangu binafsi niliweza kupata ile skills ambayo naweza tumia kucoach timu yangu ya shule, na pia nikiweza pewa timu ya nje ninaweza
na tugukihoka ati manyafarasi ni magukorwo makiamukira mathomo itemi-ini ria gukorwo makiagirithia na makiria mathako ma mubira mwena ucio wa kaunti ya Nyandarua. Na riu tugitigane na icio tukihugukira mbitika ingi cia Kenya Premier League, na ni ati timu ya FC Leopards maraikorwo makeigananiria hinya na imwana cia KCB hari ngarangano cia ligi nene ya guku bururi-ini. Thutha wa maumirira maya KCB ni maraikorwo makeiganana na namba 4 na points 49, nayo AFC Leopards maraikorwo makirugamira namba 6 na point 41.
But I'm very happy that in the second half we really played well, and we are almost snatching a victory in this game. Definitely, it's not easy. Not only playing against FC Leopards, when you are 2-0 down against any team, it's not easy for you to come back. And I must congratulate my players. They did a very good job in the second half. And we also missed some very easy scoring opportunities. So we were going to win it, but at the end of the day, I'm happy with the draw. It's not bad.
You see, there are some crucial moments during a game. It's at the end. And the second half we concede after 3 minutes, and we concede the draw 2 minutes before the end. But I repeat, I'm happy. That's why I didn't make any change, because I wanted my players to play 90 minutes. And you will see on Wednesday the whole team will change because it will be a rotation. So I repeat, it's a good point, and
riu tugitigane na mbitika cia guku bururi-ini cia kagi nicio Kenya Premier League, na riu tukihugukira riboti ingi egie mbitika cia FA Cup. Na ni ati thutha wa gukorwo magititimurana kwa ndagika 90 na ingi cia nyongerera ndagika 30, timu ya Man U na Brighton makorwo magicungirwo gutuithanio no kana ugikorwo ukiingira final-ini ya gikombe kia FA. Man United makorwo makihota timu eno ya Brighton na mikuaju 6 guku na Brighton makigomio na mikuaju kana makiganira na mikuaju 5. Man United magageko makicemania na timu ya Man City bitika-ini cia final kiharo-ini kia Wembley tariki 10 mweri wa 6.